that, oh, after like if they watch the TV and all, like they should have the fear that if I watch the TV and all in more than half an hour, my eyes would get damaged. Then they should have the fear, not the phone. There's nothing fault of the phone.
But not everyone can do this. The children below the age of 10 are watching these things, but they can't understand the addiction. The major advantage, the increasing usage of networking site is the spread of obscenity and addiction to viewing exclusive content. It is worrying because even adolescents have easy access to such sites because of cheap data provided by greedy telecom businessmen, or like whatever. The major point is that we are not able to focus on the sociality, and the children are connected to the phone some or the other way.
But and the other way, phone gives us more many informations. Like if we don't know the word meaning, we just directly go and search in the Google. We get it the meaning. It gives us many information. As I said you that they're going to different sites and all the greedy people are making it. It's not the phone fault, it's the person's fault that they are making that idiot type of sites. And the children's like mother parents should focus on their children, that they should not go in the dirty sites and all, and they should just listen to their online classes, and that's it. And after listening the online classes, they should they should allow them to watch the YouTube, but only good things in the YouTube. Except that they should not, like they should they should snatch the phone from their hands and um, take the phone and hide it somewhere. And next time, till they search, they should not get the phone. And afterwards, but it gives more we could talk with our relatives, we can do many things. But before, when the phones were not there, peoples would not meet their families, friends for many days. Like sometimes when there was each celebrate like whenever festivals would come or something good events would there, at that times only the peoples would meet each other. But nowadays, because of phones, they do video calls, they do they do normally calls everyone. And nowadays, because of phones, many of the family relatives are getting close to each other.
But but every parent is not available for their child. Some parents are busy in their job and they cannot look after their child, but the child is busy on his phone, not having interest in studies. So
That's the reason I'm saying you that it's not fault on phone. Like we should have controls on our emotions, and we should have control on ourselves, that we shouldn't watch the phone at more just we should fix a strategy that only in half an hour, just half an hour we should watch the phone. Except that we should get fear from inside that, oh, if I watch the phone more than half an hour, my eyes will get damaged and I will be more attached to phone. Then we should have the control on ourselves. It's not like really fault of phones and tabs and all everything. Because of because of
I
tabs and phones, now we are studying in my edu bag. That is the reason, because of phone only. If phone and all it would not there, then I think my edu bag would also be not there.
but I have said already that, but I've said already that we have to not look the bad things, but small childs be can't be addicted to it. They are some or the other way connected. I gave you the reason. You are saying no. We have to, but they cannot. They are so small. They cannot understand. And mobile, I think, for the games and all, for the small children, it is a curse.
No, like what do you want now that phones should all they should be banned, or they should finally vanished from the world and all? You want like this? Like they should be vanished and
No,
all? Like
no, but not. But for the small children, it is not. It is like a curse. They are not interested in their studies, and like the teenager phase. Like you and me are in the teenager phase. You, I'm asking you a question. You do not watch YouTube. You do
yeah,
not
I
watch the.
watched.
Then,
Yeah, I
then
watched
you are.
the YouTube, but
Then for how many hours? For how many hours?
I just watched for 1 hour, and more than that, my mother comes and she scolded me, and me myself, I'll be scared
And
that
your sister.
my sister, she don't watch phone at all because she just play, and my mother has full controls on her. And if she watch the uh, YouTube, my mother will sit beside her and just she'll notice her that is she watching good things or bad things, and everything she just notice her that what is she watching, and she don't watch any of the bad things and all. Like she just watch good things like cartoons and all. And if she watch more than 1 2 hours, my mother, she just scolded her, and she take the tab and she hide take the tab or whatever laptop it is, she hide the laptop or tab whatever, and she tell her to go and play or to water the plants and many other things. She say her to do the curricular activities. I'm saying you, it's really not a fault of mobiles or anything. It is the fault of a human being that we don't have any control on us, and we are not fixing any limitations that only the 1 2 hours we should watch on the phones, we should watch the phones and whatever.
It's
We are losing our emotions, and we are losing our limitations, and just if we give a phone to us, I think we would watch the whole day the phone, and we would not do any other work. I think many of the people, they won't eat food also, and they just watch the phone. But in this, there's nothing bad about the phone. There's a everything bad in the human beings, that they are not fixing they are not scared of their eyes. They don't want their eyes to they don't want their eyes to get harmed and all. That human beings are only one. They should have like limitations or control on themselves. That phones should be avoided.
okay. So I said this point that you and me can control ourselves, but what about the small children? Have you heard about PUBG? People are dying about it
Yeah,
because of they are addicted to the phone. They can't. It's about the adult. It's about the teenager or the small children. I think you should give a point. Like small children can't. Like your sister, your mother have a control on it. But what about the children who have not their parents co- concentrating on them, and they are doing their job? They are busy in their job and can't have a control on them. So what about that?
so I know that many of them are don't having control on themselves, and they're just watching the phone. But I don't think in that also there is a fault of the phone, because phone gives us many advantages. And because of that one thing, I don't think phone should be it is giving curse to us and all. I don't think that the point, because of some peoples who the parents are going for work, I know, but the children should have control on them. Except control, like every people say that a person should have control on themselves, right?
Okay, may I interrupt? I'm so sorry. I think you both girls are really deep into this topic. So, girls, we can continue this debate tomorrow. Okay, the time
Can
has.
I see my last point?
Uh, Okay, I am giving you 2 minutes of time to wind up the session for today. We can continue this debate tomorrow also, and I have plenty of topics for you
No,
both.
just 1 minute, 30 seconds each.
Okay. Within 30 seconds, you have to keep your viewpoint. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
It's not about I'm not you are talking about the people. I'm talking about the small children. What about them? And I think you have heard about the lack of concentration. If you have as if you have heard about the uh, in the Daily Mail, heavy internet and mobile phones users are prone to lack of concentration and forget things easily. It happens with everyone. Like if we are watching mobile phone, your mother has said something to you, you will forget that because you're busy in watching the YouTube or something else. And second point is cyber. If you have heard about cyberbullying, cyberbullying is a thing which many people come across because of the mobile phone,
Okay, Pavni.
because of the
Pavni,
yes ma'am.
your 30 seconds, even you have spoken more than 30 seconds. Zainab, you have 30 seconds to wind up your viewpoints.
Yeah, I know that many of them have forgot, like in watching the phone, what their mother is saying the work. But uh, if they if they by self realize that the phones are very harmful for us, more than a half an hour, if we watch the phone or like that, if it damage to our behavior, our health, everything, if people realize that, and if people start scared of phones and all, then I think automatically there will be no any problem of phones and all, and people automatically will listen to their mothers and all and everything.
Okay. So, first of all, I think Zainab is also done with her viewpoint. So, I really would like to congratulate both of you for giving your viewpoints on for the motion and against the motion for the topic mobile phone a boon or a curse in 2022. We will have I know there is a shortage of time for which you people were not able to keep all your points for today's session, but don't worry, I have plenty of topics for you both, so we can have debate on the other day. So